Okay, go ahead, start.
For our this switch that was designed for automotive grade, and this switch they can have top view bending and side view bending, and it has 3D bending function. You can see like this one, this switch can be bending in different directions.
So it is flexible.
Yeah, this is flexible. And for this application, this is what mainly used for position light or tail light, because in many automotive, this position light was designed to use maybe a light guide.
Oh,
A light guide and LEDs
Very
to form this switch. But however, the light guide will be spent much more cost
much more cost.
and mounting cost. So if customer they use this switch, it just use a clamp to fix on back of this car, and you can save much of this money. And that was very easy to use. They
Right.
just use a DC 12 volt or DC 5 volt, and they can achieve those functions.
Automotive is application you're trying to target, right?
Yes,
Automotive.
yes, this is automotive, including the LEDs and the ICs were all automotive grades.
Any other application other than automotive?
Maybe automotive, maybe that was suitable
Auto.
auto lighting or decorations.
Thank you.